Alright, this is part 2 of setting up your first email list and Autoresponder and iContact. Again, in the last video I showed you how to set it up. Now we need to add our first auto-responded email, our first message that comes after the welcome email. And I'm now in a different account, but let's go to my list called Moms Are Cool, and let's add an autoresponder. Well, these are people who are already on this list, but we need to go to Create, and we need to go to My Autoresponders. And then we need to choose the autoresponder, Fun Videos for Mom. Okay, this is an autoresponder I created. You would go to the one that you created, alright? And everything looks how I want, so I'll just go ahead and save that. Now, I want to add a message. Alright, click on Add Message. And it brings me to this HTML editor so that I can add a message. I can put my subject line. So this is the first email they're going to receive after the welcome email. The welcome email, again, they get after they sign up or subscribe or after you add them to the list. Now they're going to get this email the next day or 10 days later or however many days you decide to have them get it. And we'll put that in now. Put a good subject line. Again, just do something just as you're following along. You can pause this, set this up, and you can come back and edit it later, but we just want you to understand how to do this process, and the only way to do it is to do it. Alright, how many days after the initial subscription do you want them to see this email? I want them to see it the next day, so I'll put a 1. Alright, then you type the message. I'm not going to bother typing anything important, but you get the idea. You type the message. Now let's say you want to hyperlink this to a video or to an offer that you have going on. You just select it, click on the hyperlink button. It'll open this up here. You can type in or copy and paste the URL where you want this to take them. Alright, and then you can click OK, and that saves that. It's a good idea to copy and paste your message down here so that you have a text-only version as well. It's just good practice to do that because some people's emails won't read the HTML version. Alright, then we go ahead and we click Save. You can send a test to yourself if you want right there. And that message has been saved. Okay, so now you see that in my autoresponder message going out to these moms, yours will be going out to whatever list you created. You'll see the first one goes out 1 day after the welcome email. Then I can create more and more. I can add another message, and that would create an email to come out the next day or 7 days later or 10 days later, however often I want them to go out. But that's how you do it. That's how you get your list up and running. And in the next quick video, I'm going to show you how to create the next thing that you'll need for this project.